Hello guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we will be showing you some simple, easy and time-saving hacks for your kitchens or for your day-to-day life. So first here we'll tell you how to make easy garlic peeling. So first you can break it like this and then you can press it from the top and here it's done. Next, you can make your own plant waterer using a plastic or the waste bottles. Make the holes on it like this and it's ready. Next, do you want to save your money for the hydraulic closers? Here is a great DIY for it. You can just use a water bottle and a rope and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful and very easy DIYs. Here is the grain dispenser, you can say. So using a plastic water bottle, you can make these at home very easily. So here it is a dishwasher, so you can make this by just putting it inside a water bottle like this, cut it and put it and it's ready. Let us know in the comment section whether you are liking this or not. So here further we'll be telling you more easy and convenient DIYs you can perform at your homes and save your monies. So here you can use these plastic bottles and polythenes to make a grain dispenser or the dishwasher like this. Let us know in the comment section whether you liked our DIYs or not. Next we will be showing you these hydraulic hinges. So first you can make it snug tight and its voice will be gone. I hope you enjoyed it and you are liking our video. So for further, you will be needing a garlic to make the DIYs. So for that, take a mask, cut it from the between and put some garlic inside it. Now after that, close it using this rubber band and put it inside your pillow and it's ready. Next, we will be showing you some further DIYs. For that, you need this tea bag, empty it in a bowl and put some water into it. Now strain it like this and put it into a spray bottle like this and spray it over the plants and it works wonder for the plants. Next, take a water bottle like this and cut it using this blade. So you can remove it like this from the bag, put it over the blade like this. Now break it and your blade is ready. Next, we'll be taking or showing you some easy hacks to put the thread inside the needles. You can use these type of tools to make your work easy. Next, this is a peeler. You can use these to peel the vegetables or the fruits. You can get these machines easily in the market and it will make your work very easy, trust me. Or you can use these blades to cut your vegetables like this. And it works out so beautiful and it's so much of time saving. You can put the egg on the other side and you can cut it like this. You can make a salad using it. Next, we'll be showing you a machine which helps or makes easy making sweets or dumplings. You can just roll it and then put some fillings and then close it and here it is done. Next, we have a peeler. It helps in peeling the vegetables very easily. Look how you can get these tools easily in the market. It makes your work very easy. Thanks for watching this video.